Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Instagram chat themes. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Variety is the spice of life, or so the saying goes. So it's a good thing that Instagram lets you to change the themes and colors of your Instagram chats. It means you can liven up your DMs. Previously, the closest you could get to tweaking the appearance of your Instagram chat was by activating dark mode, but that got boring quickly. Now, thanks to Instagram chat themes, messaging on the platform has become a lot more fun, customizable, and visually appealing. So if you want to change your Instagram chat themes, before that, make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed on your device first. You can check on your Play Store or App Store. You can update your Instagram first to get that feature, so you can change your themes on your DM on Instagram. You have to update your Instagram to the latest version. After that, after you update your application, your Instagram, you can open your Instagram. Now, you can tap on the upper right corner, your message or your DM. Now you can choose, or you can customize your DM inbox. You can choose account that you want to change the themes. As example, I will choose this account. Now you can tap on this, tap on the username of the chat, your friend's chat. So you'll see like this. You can tap on them here. Now you can choose the theme that you want to use. Here's so many options you can choose, like Googly Eyes, Easter, Basketball, Bloom, Besties, Women History Month, Dune, and the other. As example, I will choose. You can also, if you don't like themes like this, you can choose just the basic colors like colors and gradients. But I will choose, as example, I will choose this, which theme. You can go back and you can see here's the theme that I just apply. Well, when you change your theme, DMs, your chat DMs with someone on Instagram, Instagram will notify them that you just changed the theme of your DM. If you don't like it, you can change again the theme. Like this, you can go back and here you go. It's so cute, right? So that is how to change theme on your Instagram chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!